Hi everyone, back again, Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Started the second part of Calais Girona. You got your big shoe shop there, so if you do somehow end up losing your shoes on a night out, there's a place to go. Souvenir shop as well if you want to make yourself look an idiot on your night out. Then of course, well known Red Lion in the background there. I was watching a video the other day, like an old video, I think it was, but from 2019, last time, world famous YouTuber group The Sight Memory, and they went in Red Lion, and I hate to say it, ain't really changed since then, has it? Like, not really been made bigger, not really like had anything new in. I mean, still even got the mechanical bull that like KSI himself went on. Benidorm hasn't really changed, to be honest, has it? Rocky's bar just over the road as well. Yeah, Rocky has lost his wig. And you remember when he did have that bright red wig? I don't even know how someone managed to put it on him. But yeah, he had a bright red wig. Great bar that you can get coffee and brandy or turmeric or Baileys when you're over 70. Yeah, I think that's a decent price. Charlie's Pub, I think that's more mainly open of a night, like a takeaway restaurant sort of place. YouTube, just looking past bars, not trying to steal people's music. Got the Rose and Crown. I believe there's two of these bars in Benidorm. One of course being up by Shooters, which is now become Shooters Karaoke Bar. That were quite a surprising change, weren't it, Mike? Yeah. Shooters Piano Bar changing to Shooters Karaoke Bar. Yeah. Oh, and another surprise. KFC is actually open. Oh, no, they fell there. Not really, is the scene that open? Chips in there. Yeah, Queen's Arms across the road as well. Apparently do very, very good offers on drinks. So pop in there. Going to speed walk past the Slasher Bar. Go show you the Zodiac, which does happy hour 2 for 1 on lager and all local spirits. So yeah, you do get many of them sort of offers in Benidorm, like the 2 for 1 sort of offers. So yeah, it is pretty easy to have a nice few drinks in Benidorm. Oh, Benidorm Terrace seemed like that open for a bit, then close again, but don't worry, the secret fountain is just on top of the roof there. From what I've heard, they've got a pool up there, I think. That's what I've been told. I'm not too sure on the roof. Marina there as well. Now, I will just give you a bit of advice. The foam pool party there, not really what you expect, like they don't put much foam out. For the Irish Shamrock Irish pub just up there in the corner, traditional Irish pub, ain't it? Look, quite nice in there. Then of course the Dublin House.
Welcome to the Shamrock.
Brilliant bar in there, guys.
Peace and love.
Peace and love. And of course, right, Starboard that is kind of connecting on to like the marina. You got Andy Simply the Best as well on the corner. Tiki Town and of course Planet Benidorm. Gonna end the video here. Still got the Beatles statues there. I think they could do with a bit of a touch up, like bit of new paint put on them maybe. What do you think, Mike?
Right the way they are.
Yeah, they're great today. Now I think the reason John Lennon ain't got shoes is because that's how he was. He's a hippie, ain't he? Peace and love. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, never give up. No matter how big your dreams are, no matter how stupid they may seem, follow your dreams, guys. Love you all.